Bola Ahmed Tinubu has been banned not to enter America. Donald Trump banned Bola Ahmed Tinubu not to enter America. Hey! Oh, twere.
Some great, I read it on social media. It is no longer rumor or speculations or even propaganda. I see it. Nigeria has been banned, visa ban for Nigerians, especially the politicians. Visa ban for Britain because of the kind of policy they are playing. The British actually know that Nnamdi Kanu is their citizen. And they still turn their back on Kanu. They have not debated, they only debated it earlier. That was in 2021 about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's incarceration as one of their citizens with their passport. Today, they have not said anything because they collected bribe. America does not like any bribe country. Bribery and corruption countries, religious madness, and the psychopathy country, America does not give them visa. Look at the Arab world today. There was serious in the past visa ban placed on Iran, Iraq, and so on and so forth. Even Yemen, yes, Palestinian. Today, America living like that because those guys are religiously mad. Yes, they are mad over their own religion. America doesn't tolerate that kind of rubbish. Britain has found themselves in this mess because Nigeria is always supplying Britain with gas, oil, and other natural, resources. That's why America is looking at Britain as a country that has been infiltrated by the Arab, simply because of crude oil. So Britain is a begging, let me use the word, begging country. They are begging countries like Nigeria, Arab world, their crude oil, and America does not allow such policy. America doesn't want anybody that could at least contaminate their state, their system. Britain and America in the past were always the greatest allies. But today, I'm seeing a change that has actually shocked me. Today, I'm seeing Israel being the greatest ally of the USA today. Britain has gone down because very soon the Arab world, the Egyptians, the Saudi Arabia, and the rest of the Arab world are going to take over Britain. Because of what? Chop oil money, chop gas, chop, Britain, chop. They are beggarly country that has brought themselves down because of the kind of, level of embrace, how far they had gone to embrace the Arab. They are not being careful about it. I mean the British. So that's why they are included on the visa ban. And I'm just assuring everybody in Nigeria that the Wickers, the Adamochomoles, the Tinubus, the aggrieved Kachima Chetimas, the El-Rufais, the Abio Ukwewu, the rest of all the senators, at the Department of what? Legislature, they are all facing America visa ban. Why? Because of the kind of policy, the kind of public, how they manage, private institutions in Nigeria, federal government, agencies, federal agencies, they are too disgruntled. That's why America is not showing pity at all. They violated the United States instructions, never to rig election, never to attack civilians, unarmed civilians. What did they do? They turned their back on American instructions, began to pine all Southern youth, pine some youths at Igbowo's compound. It is wrong. Pine youths that were not armed, dropping bomb at civilians, fortresses in Niger State, Katsina, saying we are mistaking them to be terrorists. They killed innocent people, bombing a whole village, mistaking them to herdsmen, headers. So they have committed lots and lots of heinous, hostilities against the youth, against Nigerian people, pretending as if they did not know. And here, visa ban has come. Tinubu, for how many years now in office, has never gone to New York or Washington. He's always sending Chetima. And very soon, America will arrest Chetima. As I'm talking to you now, nobody knows whereabouts of Nyesom Wike. Wike seems to have been arrested by the FBI. I'm telling you, because nobody has ever been able to see Wike recently.
Maybe just choose to keep calm. Maybe just choose to keep calm.
Anyways, the man I know that always on the social media platform, on the headline of media houses every month, every week. But today, we've not seen him. I think Winke is in. America is with Winke.
Guys, wonder shall never end. Bola Ahmed Tinubu has been banned not to enter America. Donald Trump banned Bola Ahmed Tinubu not to enter America. Hey! Oh, twege. See, I told you guys, for those of you who does not believe PK News, see, when I call they pay me homage, and they tell when visit me, now lie they talk. But anyways, let's go straight down to this news. US President Donald Trump banned Bola Ahmed Tinubu, because I will not say he banned Nigeria. He banned Bola Ahmed Tinubu not to enter America again. I will read for you guys to hear what this man said. And at the same time, still play you guys a video of Donald Trump to see what this man is saying. Bro, please share this video. Share this video. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, this is a disgrace. Fix your country. Because the way Donald Trump is driving you guys, like, sha, I don't want you guys. Fix your country, for Christ's sake. All African leaders, fix your country. It's a disgrace to see how this man is chasing you guys out from his country. On the contrary, I'll play you guys a video of Donald Trump saying that he wants to be selling America green card to billionaire immigrants, like $5 million US. Now hear me right, $5 million US to get that green card. Like, it's a good card. You want to come and do business in America, you can come and get the card. Bro, this man made business in America, and you guys will know the reason why this man is doing what he's doing. I will tell you guys. But let's go straight down to this news now. I will read to see what this man said concerning Nigeria and the United Kingdom. Bro, Donald Trump, the man really makes business. And this is the kind of leader we want in Nigeria, that can fix Nigeria, stand their ground, make things work in Nigeria. I read, please share the video, please. Bola Ahmed Tinubu cannot enter America again. His OT law is closed. He said, US exclude UK, Nigeria, other Africa countries from visa-free entry from 2025. Exclude, though, get me? Just hear it well. Not include, exclude. Exclude UK, Nigeria, and other Africa countries from 2025 visa-free. He not includes them, he excludes them out. That is to tell you, Bola Ahmed Tinubu cannot enter America. Be you the select president of Nigeria. Even our African leaders cannot enter America. Let me continue. He said, the United States of America has released a list of eligible countries for its 2025 visa waiver program. The United States government has officially released its 2025 visa waiver program list, with Nigeria and other African nations completely excluded amid President Donald Trump's mass deportation. The United States of America has released a list of eligible countries for its 2025 visa waiver program. The United States government has officially released its 2025 visa waiver program list, with Nigeria and other African nations completely excluded amid President Donald Trump's mass deportation. Major US allies like the United Kingdom were also left out, although British citizens remain eligible under specific conditions. According to the US Bureau of Consular Affairs website, the visa waiver program allows most citizens or nationals of participating countries to travel to the United States for tourism or business for up to 90 days without obtaining a visa. The agency stated travelers must have a valid electronic system for travel authorization approval, pro to travel and meet all requirements explained below. If you prefer to have a visa in your passport, you may still apply for a visitor visa. The visa waiver program allows travelers from eligible countries to visit the United States without a visa for up to 90 days for tourism or business purpose. Instead of going through a lengthy visa process, eligible individual can apply for an electronic system for travel authorization before departure. You guys heard. the countries that is eligible as visa free, they can go to America without visa. I will put it here for you guys to see these countries. UK is not inside. UK is not inside. Even Romanians, they are inside. Bro, Germany is inside. Germany is, you don't need to apply for visa before you go to America. But you see, Africa, bro. See, they were excluded. They cannot enter America. Tinubu cannot enter America. And let me just play you guys this video now. Hear what Donald Trump said. If you know you want to come to America, you need America documents. Like you need America document. You have to pay $5 million US. Watch this video. Then you will know that this man really meant business. Like, he is telling all these billionaires that want to do business in America. And you guys know the reason why Donald Trump is doing this. Because of what Joe Biden did in America. Joe Biden really crippled America economy. He crippled the economy. Watch this video. Hear what this man is saying.
We're going to be doing something else that's going to be very, very good. We're going to be selling a gold card. You have a green card. This is a gold card. We're going to be putting a price on that card of about $5 million, and that's going to give you green card privileges plus. It's going to be a route to citizenship, and wealthy people will be coming into our country by buying this card. They'll be wealthy, and they'll be successful, and they'll be spending a lot of money and paying a lot of taxes and employing a lot of people. And we think it's going to be extremely successful. Never been done before or anything like this, but it's something that we're going to be putting out over the next, would you say 2 weeks, Howard? Do you want to say a couple of words about it?
Sure.
Mr. President, are there any requirements for that gold
Hang on a second.
card? Do you have to invest a certain amount of money in this country in order to qualify for that gold card? Yeah, exactly.
So the EB-5 program was really, you lend some money, but it was full of nonsense, make-believe, and fraud, and it was a way to get a green card that was low priced. So the president said, rather than having this sort of ridiculous EB-5 program, we're going to end the EB-5 program. We're going to replace it with the Trump Gold Card, which is really a green card gold. So they'll be able to pay $5 million to the U.S. government. They'll have to go through vetting, of course. We're going to make sure they're wonderful, world-class global citizens. They can come to America. The president can give them a green card, and they can invest in America, and we can use that money to reduce our deficit. Why do we give out lotteries of green cards? Why do we give out EB-5 for green cards? The President of the United States understands that the right answer is, why don't we eliminate the deficit of the United States of America instead?
Okay, guys, you listen to this video, you watch what happened on this video now. After I watched this video, I went to the comment section, I like to read some comments. And I saw some people are saying, oh, Donald Trump is selling our documents. Donald Trump is this, Donald Trump is that. Oh, what is Donald Trump doing? Then I saw somebody said, do you guys know what Joe Biden has done in America? Do you guys know the kind of debts Joe Biden put in America? Do you guys know how Joe Biden fraud America? If you listen to this video, you will hear fraud. Why? Because Joe Biden said he want to use so millions of dollars in Africa. He want to do this. They are cheaping money, but all this money in his bank, in his pocket. So Donald Trump now, what this man is doing now, if you know you are rich, you have money, like you guys know Donald Trump is a businessman. So he is doing all these things so that all these billionaire businessmen can come to America and buy the green card, $5 million US, but that money big show. $5 million US, then you can do your business in America and you have your stay in America, equivalent to the green card, but this one is Trump Gold Card. So this man wants to make America economic grow again. The GDP will high again. Everything will stand strong again. That's what Donald Trump is doing. He's a businessman, like you guys know. The man is a businessman. So You see, our Africa leaders, they don't have this kind of idea, brain. Their own is to loot, chop, spend, spoil. You see how this man wants to get money back into his country. Yeah. I know it's going to affect some people. Even now, it's affecting other African countries like, you know, excluding UK, Nigeria, and other African countries not to, you know, get visa free. Is a letdown. Although Nigeria, like other African countries, they don't get visa free before, but this time, if you apply, no level, because they are not on the list. They are not on the list. So automatically, Bola Ahmed Tinubu cannot enter America again. If you want to enter, then she do you go to enter. Don't want to go to the one, so get the business card. Get the business card. $5 million US. You get money now. $5 million US is a cheeky change. It's a cheeky change. You have that kind of money, but it's a disgrace to see how this man is doing. You guys pumping. Leaders, Africa leaders, stand your ground. But as for the UK, you see that UK and America, they have banana, they have issue that Donald Trump got to exclude them out from the 2025 visa-free entries. Although UK citizenship is still valid, but before you come in, like he said, you stamp visa inside. No visa-free. Like Germany have visa-free, Italy visa-free, France visa-free, Belgium, Spain, all these countries, they have, if you have their passport, it's visa-free. You can just buy tickets straight down to America. That's it. Bro, this guy, he mean business. But my country is what I'm talking about now. Nigerians, feast your country. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, feast your country. Feast your country. It's a shame. It's a disgrace. Feast your country, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Feast your country.
Not violent. They are non-violent agitators, and the whole world actually crowned them with that incentive. The most peaceful agitators in the world. His name, the leader, is Mazi Simon Njoko. As far as I'm concerned, the second person in command to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is that young man, Simon Ekpa. The second in command of IPOB, a wonderful one, and I can actually tell you that the United Nations president is United Nations Secretary General. He was the former Portuguese, Prime Minister. His name is Antonio Guterres. So the freedom fighters all over the world, not only in Nigeria, freedom fighters in Bazonia, Cameroon, they were being killed, maimed in their large number by the then Cameroonian government, still under Paul Biya. They were killed and maimed in Cameroonian government under Amada Hijo. So let me tell you, currently, Bazonia is coming because actually United Nations USA has actually begun to intervene in conflicts, serious pogrom or confrontation between Cameroon and Bazonia. And then again, we were seeing what actually went on in 1967. From 1967 to 1970, Biafra and Nigeria fought silly. They fought themselves, and the Western world were interested, sponsored by, led by the Great Britain, who actually supported Nigeria military clique with lethal weapons. They supplied them weapons, turning their backs on Igbo. And we were all colonized by Britain in the past. Even if you ask me, I will tell you that people that bought into British culture and tradition are the Igbos, because we are all Christians. The British man supported the Arab Fulanis because of what they should gain or eat. And today we are seeing the fire of that same Biafra war burning under Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who was illegally renditioned from Nairobi, Kenya into Nigeria. I'm telling you right away that when Kanu was at least arrested in 2021, he was incarcerated, kept dormant, wasted, stagnated at DSS facilities. Everything went down. The Igbos, everybody turned to what? Ice cool. Nobody was saying anything again until someone took it upon himself, denying himself social life, denying himself his wife and family, and took it upon himself to make sure that the fire of Biafra is not killed. And today, in the person of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we've seen a renewed version of Biafra agitation that actually started in the faraway Scandinavian Europe. He pumped every material support to make sure that indigenous people of Biafra are agitating, going from place to place with Biafran flag. They are not violent. They are non-violent agitators, and the whole world actually crowned them with that incentive, the most peaceful agitators in the world. His name, the leader, is Mazi Simon Njoko. As far as I'm concerned, the second person in command to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is that young man, Simon Ekpa. The second in command of IPOB. Two of them are incarcerated right now. That was what prompted the United Nations President or Secretary General Antonio Guterres for making that statement that he will never sleep, seeing the freedom fighters all over the world going what they are going through presently. He has taken it upon himself, the United Nations Secretary General, to make sure that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is abruptly, as fast as, let off the hook of the wicked Nigerian DSS facilities. See, the DSS over the years has kept this man more than 50 months now in one place, denying him his doctors, denying him his lawyers. His medical team has never been given allowance, the chance to go and check on Nnamdi, which is why we are happy. We are at least publicizing it, making it known to everybody in Nigeria that if Nnamdi Kanu dies, Nigeria will die. Everybody, every champion that are part of Nnamdi Kanu's whatever, if it happens to that, I'm telling you, will actually bear the responsibility. They don't allow his doctors, they don't allow his wife, they don't allow his brothers. What has he committed? Nothing. Simply because he's agitating for his nation, Biafra. Conquer me, the kind of treatment given to this man has given the Biafra nation the kind of rapid exits that the Fulanis has never ever dreamt of. Comfort me, Nnamdi Kanu is coming out, and the administration of Buhari and all its components that actually abducted Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya, they should actually go to ICC and answer to it. Especially the Malami, the then Attorney General of the Federation, who actually give that kind of abnormal legal process take place in Nigeria. I think Malami is not qualified to be a primary 2 student, let alone an Attorney General of a federation called Nigeria. Malami is more poorly educated than Almejeri that begs food on the street of Kanu. Malami Abubakar is not qualified to hold any public office in Africa because he is a letdown to legal practice. He is a letdown to law, up to international jurisprudence, international law. Malami, the former Attorney General of Federation under Buhari regime, is a letdown to justice. They are actually rubbishing themselves on the global legal platform. A whole Attorney General of Federation could actually allow that kind of injustice to take place in Nigeria. Malami has failed. In all its ramifications, I think his certification as a lawyer has actually disqualified him, demoted him, not to even handle magistrate court, where marital issue, marriage between man and man, is being treated in Nigeria. Malami is a dullard, a legal dullard. He should be subjected or demoted to legal, small scale, pocket, legal practitioner. Not to that level where he found himself before. Because he's a man that violates fellow man. Thinking that his Hausa language can actually paint Nnamdi black. He spoke and attacked with abusive word at Nnamdi on 21st June 2021.